No doubt, sir.
Welcome,
Sir,
welcome.
I had it out.
Yes. Please ask.
Sir, actually, when you said about the remote access on mobile phones,
Yes,
so sir, I came across some apps like when you said you can access whole mobile phone, like regarding everything you can access through it.
yes,
But when I went through some apps like banking apps like IOB Mobile, like Indian Overseas Bank, they are having separate apps for their services. So, sir, in order to access them, we need some fingerprint access, sir. So, is that possible to get it like just from a remote access app?
no. Then it will be not be possible because you don't have the fingerprint scenario. But I
Yeah.
think there is
Plus,
second
sir,
option
the thing is,
also.
we can set the fingerprint for all the applications, right?
Yes, and that will be a mess. Like some many people are using that what is it called app locker, and there is a
So,
feature to you can say lock everything using what? Using
fingerprint.
using fingerprint. Sorry, I'm just bluffered. Okay, so a very nice question from Divyant Kataria Jain. Nice question. Uh, is Rak here? Let's see. Okay, Rak is not here. Rak is one of my old student. He joined every internship that I provide or training that I provide. I have shown even with the practical scenario that what to do if something is locked. If there is a fingerprint lock, then how can you access the data behind that app? So there is a I don't remember exactly the command, but yes, you can access the whole data. What you can do, you can open the Google Chrome. Firstly, you have to go to settings, and then if there is settings, you can do much more thing from the settings. But in most of the apps, basically all the app blocks, they will what will they firstly do? They you can say lock settings also because from settings they can uninstall the app. So setting is locked in many cases. So what we do in that cases, we go for Google Chrome. If there is Google Chrome, we can access any file within their mobile system. I can show you a demo. I think day after tomorrow of this. There is I don't remember the command. What was the command? It was something like file slash and the directory name what you want to access. Like you want to access WhatsApp images is there and much more things are there. So you don't even require file manager. Yes, first thing was settings. You have to look for settings. If settings is locked, you have to look for Play Store because if Play Store is unlocked, you can directly install any file manager and everything will be accessible to you. And even if the Play Store is locked, you can do this thing using Google Chrome also. Not even Google Chrome, with any browser. Like my browser is there, and a lot of browsers are there. So this is how everything works. You can access any file you want, like DCIM is there. If you know DCIM, it is your camera file which records all your camera data, like your photos, videos. In pictures, you can get screenshots. Basically, you can get every data within your phone. Let me start recording. If it is not okay, recording is already started. Okay, so let's write it on for the doubt section. Text document. How to access locked apps data. Now we were covering top 10 attacks on application. Uh, we were done by this, and this was also done, and this was also done. The practical is remaining. I will think when to take practical today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Let's jump to top 10 application. Basically, these are the attacks. Wait, let me just create a new text document. Basically, application is also like a software in your system. You can do whatever you want from the application. Like you can take images from application. You can run music from application. Moreover, you can add new files, delete old files, and a lot of stuff you can do with applications. So the first aspect is improper platform usage. So what is this? Many apps are having very low budget. So what they do, they host their website online using the online services, which are not really very much you can say reliable. So what the services do, they just sell out their data to make profits. Like I am the owner of a hosting provider, and I am just selling out the free hosting service. So how will I earn money? So what I will do, I will just take all the data that is coming to me, and I will sell out the data. And this is also a method that how the data is leaked. You say whenever you just see that your data is leaked, your data is leaked. So this is also a method, but it is you can say done only in few cases where the budget is low and the services that are using are very much you can say poor. Or there's one more option, like there is an update and the company have not updated the software. So why they update the software? Because there are exploits, there are some you can say vulnerabilities. What are vulnerabilities? They you can say that it is you can say vulnerable to any type of attack. Like a new attack is there and a company come to know that this is an attack and this can attack our website. So what they will do, they will provide you an update. So after update, that attack will not be able to attack that website. They will secure their website irrespective of their that attack. Like if you play PUBG or any type of game, you can easily find hack. But after update, your account will get banned if you play with the old hack. So that's why update is very much important. And after updating, security patches are applied, and the old attacks won't work anymore. In secure data storage, like I have shown you on how to store password. Like if you have stored password in the clear text or obfuscated text, there are very much great chances of all the data to be leaked. Basically, if it is leaked, there is very much chances that your passwords will also be leaked. But if you have stored in hash format, even if your passwords are leaked, you don't have to worry very much because your passwords were in hash format and there will be a lot of mess to decrypt all the passwords. So this comes under insecure data storage, where you do not provide security in storing the data. Like you do not provide a security key to log into the database. Like you can one more thing you can do, you can remote you can say what you can do. There are a lot of steps to secure the data. One of the most important step is limited access. Just give limited access to the what you can say database. Then you can apply two-factor authentication. Like even after putting the password, one OTP will be required, which will be provided by the senior manager to gain access to the data. Insecure communication. Basically, a communication system is also required whenever you are just sending data or you can say receiving data. So communication medium is very much important. Like if like I have given you example of HTTP and HTTPS. So this is also an example. HTTP sites are vulnerable to a lot of attacks. They are not even countable. There are thousands of attacks which can attack HTTP websites. So that's why basically HTTPS was introduced with enhanced security. Insecure authentication. What is insecure authentication? Basically, firstly, what is authentication? You are coming to my app. Suppose I am the service provider. Suppose me as you can suppose me anything, like I am your banking service and you want to access me. For accessing me, you need to enter your password, and a lot of stuff may also be required, like OTP will be required, fingerprint will be required. That is completely dependent on the banking service, that what the algorithm they are using. So to basically, yes, so secure authentication is for providing much more stuff which cannot be available by the hacker. Like the fingerprint is there, like a very good example was there. If we have used fingerprint authentication, then the hacker will not be able to attack our banking service. So this is also a very much good example. And if they are not using that fingerprint option, then their website, or you can say bank server, is, you can say, vulnerable to insecure authentication, because the hacker can also authenticate it if he is having password. Insufficient cryptography. What is insufficient cryptography? Basically it is, you can say, the obfuscated part. Like you have done cryptography, you have done encryption. Basically you have changed the password from clear text to any other text, but the process you have used is very much weak. Anybody can easily guess out that this is your password. Let me give you an example. I don't exactly remember the name, but this is shift cryptography. I will tell you the name also. GRAPHY cryptography. Basically, what we do in this cryptography, we just take a word, like suppose we take A and we change it with any other word. Basically, we provide it, you can say, position. Like I will provide it 5, A5. So what will it do? Wherever A will come, it will just replace it with E. Basically, it will jump 5 positions forward, like A, B, C, D, E. So on 5 position E is written, so it will just replace it as E. So let's take 3 example of passwords. Suppose your password is snack, and it will change it to snack, SNECK. So you can easily identify that something is wrong with the A. And what's wrong with A, you can easily find out that also. Like you can just see that there are difference of 5 digits, so you can come to know that which algorithm they have used. Algo they have used, it is 5 and it is for A. So this is how it works. So you have to use a very strong cryptography, like don't save hash. Like just suppose I type 1, so what will be the cryptography of 1? Basically encryption of 1. This will be the encryption of 1. This is the hash value, and this also works on cryptography, encryption and decryption. Insecure authorization. Basically this is the authorization level. Suppose you are the you can say you are using a bank application, but you cannot you can say send money which is not in your bank. Suppose you want to send someone 3 crore rupees, but the bank is having 3 crore rupees, but it is not in your account. Your account is a zero balance account and it is having only 10 rupees. So you cannot send the whole account. But what hackers do, they will try to elevate their position. Like you are a client for the bank. What the hacker can do, hacker will elevate the position from client to the admin. The admin is controlling the whole app. So basically the admin can be anybody. He can be employee of bank also, manager of bank also, or anybody. So basically he has authorization to send 3 crore to anybody with permission. So what he can do, he can just elevate his position and do whatever he want. It is a big example. Let's suppose a very simple example. Suppose you are in a school and you want full marks, what you will be doing is, basically you will be submitting your, you can say, test report or exam or something, and then you will elevate your, you can say, your permissions, and you will become a teacher, and you will just verify your examination sheet, and you will give yourself 100 marks, 100 out of 100. Then you will de-elevate your, you can say, position to student, and then you will be having full marks in your paper. Client code quality. So this is something that is related to developers. It not comes into cybersecurity or digital forensics. This happens when the coders are, you can say, weak in secure coding, and they provide you an insecure code which is having vulnerabilities. So yes, it also happens. Client code quality, and in hacking also, whenever we start ethical hacking, we just try to, you can say, have an overview of code first, like whatever app you will be hacking, like if you want to hack Google Meet or something like this, you will be just firstly going through the page source. On page source, every line of the, you can say, code will be there. If you know coding, it will be very much easy for you to just go through everything. So you will, for hacking also, you need a strong code tampering. If your code is easily tamperable, so yes, your website can be hacked. Like what happens in game hacking, they just tampers the code, like they change the speed, so this is called speed hack. And if there is something more like wall hack, so they will just go to wall section, and they will just put null there, so that there will be no wall for you. And there are a lot of more hacks also, like jump hack is there. Basically it is used for hacking, like you can temper the code. Suppose mess, what are mod apks? Nothing is there in mod apk, they just temper the code. What they temper in code, they just open the code and then put the payment status done. They don't do much more thing than that, if the site is not very much secured. Reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is not an attack, but you can use reverse engineering for building an attack. Like you are having any APK, like you are having this hash calculator, you can just you can use reverse engineering to get the code behind this app. And if you are having the code behind this app, you will know the functioning, that how the code is working and how it is giving output. So you can manipulate the code according to you. Exogenous functionality, like all the updates that are added, all the extra features that are added, that can cause a very much large number of attacks, because they are not very much secured. Basically all the new applications that are launched are not very much secure, because they use new features or new, you can say, new stuff, and that are not really secured. That's why we consider first testing in big apps like WhatsApp, Paytm. The firstly the you can see features are tested around 10,000 times, but in small apps it is not done. So I think mobile part is done. Let's start with wireless now. Let's see if there is any question. Okay, great. Excuse me. So, what comes in wireless hacking? Basically, if I tell about wireless, basically, what is wireless hacking? So, you can interfere among the radio waves. You have seen walkie-talkies also. You can disrupt the signals of walkie-talkies. What are more radio waves? If you are having a huge server, you can control a whole set of radio frequency. Then what is Wi-Fi? We will be coming to Wi-Fi also. SIM card is there, cars are there, IoT devices are there. Basically car hacking can also be done, if you are not aware of this. In Delhi and Mumbai it is also started also, whether the engineers come with a laptop to steal a car, and they steal with the car. Wait a second, I think I have the video also. It's not loading. Car hacking, Delhi car stole using laptop. Basically, even the police is not having the good command over this. Laptop stolen from a car, laptop stolen, car breaking, city Scorpio, laptop stolen from a car. Okay, they are not having the video. I am having the video, I will show it to you. It is in my drive. So IoT devices are there. IoT devices like Alexa is there, and your Google, okay, Google is there, and your smart switches are there, your smart lights are there. There are a lot of stuff that can be hacked wirelessly. Internet camera. Basically, internet camera is nothing. It is a CCTV camera that is connected to uh, internet. So there is a website which is having a large number of access of CCTV cameras. And databases, industrial control system, CCTV, checking language. Let's see if it is accessible. How to access this? I forgot that thing. There is vulnerabilities are also there. Camera. Okay, I have to see to it also. Basically, this is a website that is having a large number of CCTV. CCTV, Shodan. Okay, this is Shodan website. Webcam, CCTV. They are asking for ports. Uh, okay, I don't want to waste your time, but yes, it is a website. You can explore this to, you can say, access CCTV which are in India also. There are a lot of open, you can say, cameras in India also, which are available in Shodan. So these are the securities in Wi-Fi. So WEP was there in first generation. Then you can say Revolution come and WPA was there, and currently WPA2 is here. So most of the you can say routers are having this password right now, this secured password right now. This is WPA2. I think 90% are secured with WPA2 right now, and you can say 10% are secured with WPA. WPA, yes. So then one more thing come, Bluetooth. Can Bluetooth be hacked? Yes, Bluetooth can also be hacked. Very good example of hacking Bluetooth is DOS attack. I have told you what is DOS. So similarly, Bluetooths are also hacked using the same thing. Basically, a lot of packets are, you can say, sended across the, you can say, network on Bluetooth. After sending these large number of packets, your Wi-Fi service will crash and it will get connected. Hacking Bluetooth. And there are a lot of tools also of hacking this Bluetooth, basically to for getting connected. Or it's a PDF. It's a very good PDF. I think you can go through it. Technical class. Okay, nice. So DOS can also be used to hack that Bluetooth. So then the thing come car hacking. Basically, what is car hacking and how it is done? I have also done car hacking 1 year back, and now also I can do, but I'm not having the exact hardware. I think I don't know when I will be having the hardware. I have shown a complete, you can say, training on car hacking and IoT hacking. So what is done in car hacking? Basically, you have, I think everybody know how a car remote works. Basically, there are three options. I think basically just consider it with the two options. One is for opening the car, and one is for closing the car. And I think all the remotes are having this functionality of opening and closing, which are of new series or new model. It was not available for previous cars, like many cars were there that were not having this feature. But now I think almost all the cars that you will be going to purchase will be having this feature, even if it is small, big, or medium, any car. So what we can do, the remote is sending a radio frequency to the car to open the car paint. Car hacking, car hack. So what happen in car hacking? Suppose you are here and you have the remote and you press on, so it will unlock the car whether your car is here, here. Basically it will generate an output in all the directions. Then where your car will be, it will automatically get unlocked. But the only one main concern is it should be near to the remote. So this is how the remote works. So what attackers do, attackers sit behind one of the main signals, like it is sending signal to here also. They can sit here with their laptop and a base station, and they can just capture the packets what it is sending. Like he can just capture this one signal, and he will be then having this signal. We call it as frequency. FREQU dot. We call it as frequency. So we have to capture the frequency. Wait, one question is there. Yeah, there may be many movies for car hacking also. So we have to capture the frequency, and then we can decode the frequency. Basically, the message that is sent by the this remote is encrypted, but it is not, you can say, very much encrypted. It can be easily decoded. So after decoding, we can get to know the command for turning on COM. Basically, it stands for command to open slash unlock open slash unlock car. So now you will be having the signal. So now you will be you will be required a kit to send the signal back. So now your laptop will act as the remote, and it will send signal to turn to unlock your car, and the car will follow your command and unlock your device. uh, okay, very nice, very nice. So basically there are two methods to do this. One is using the hacker one, hack RF1, sorry, hack RF1. It is very much costlier, but it is very much powerful also. So this is how it look likes. Okay, it is of $300. Nice, nice, nice. So it is of $300. I don't know that it is the real website. Basically, it is not a real website, but I don't know that it will work or not. $300 means around 21,000, but I think it is more expensive. Let's go to one two more websites. This is the main website, Great Scott Gadgets. This is the original website. India will not be there. Top pen test devices, free shipping, free gift, free antenna. No, I don't want free. I just want the way to search now. They are not having a search option also. Products. Oh, sorry, products. Signature gear. Where is the Hack 5? Hack RF1. On-site field. Hot plug attacks. Yeah, Wi-Fi pen test. It will be in Wi-Fi pen test, I think. No, it is not here also. Very nice. The original website has shown, but they are not having. Great Scott Gadgets. Okay, so it is available on Amazon also. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon is a trusted website and we can consider that. Okay, currently unavailable. Just show me the price. Okay, the price is also not available. Very nice. How to know the price now? Basically, it will cost you. So there is, you can say for $324. Yes, maybe the price is changed. It is now for $300. So yes, you can purchase that also. And there are separate kit also, that is RTL SDR kit. That will also do your work, but it is not very much powerful. If you go to Amazon, you can have it for I think 5,000 or something like this. So you can see it is available for 7,000. So it is basically $100. Yes, basically $100 or something. So this is how you can do this also. It is called RTL SDR kit. So this is also used for car hacking. Basically, it is used for capturing the frequency for this and for sending the signal, because laptop cannot send the signal of you can say remote. They can save the, you can say, you can signal. For sending again you will needing a kit. So for these two purposes that kit is used. RT Hack RF1 is very much efficient and a very long ranged, and there are a lot of more features attached to it. And one thing is called as Jugaad, that is that RTL SDR kit. It is also very much good. I have used the kit. So you can say capturing frequency, decoding, sending the message again. So this is how you can hack any car. How to hack Wi-Fi? So if if the, you can say, encryption is not WPA2, you can try with the word list also, direct word list also. You know what is word list? It is a set of passwords, and you can try a different set of passwords, and it will just try with thousands of passwords at a single time. Push button. What is push button? If you are having a manual access to any router, almost 90% routers are having a push button. So you can use the push button to gain access to the Wi-Fi and do whatever you want. Like I'm having three routers at my home, Kaushik 2, and one more is available there. So I can hack any of the routers just using the push button. I just have to click on push button and take out my phone and then go to Wi-Fi, and then I think there is an option to connect with the Wi-Fi direct or something like this. Yes, it is called as Wi-Fi direct. Okay, I can show to it to you. I think I can show it to you, but I think wait, let me just see where it is. Settings. Okay, Leo, I will just show the practical day after tomorrow for this also. Wi-Fi direct. Then one more attack is there: capture, hash, and decrypt. Basically, there are a lot of attacks also, but this is also one of the most fake. Yes, so this is also very much used attack, fake station. Basically, these two are the attacks that are very much used. Like capture hash and decrypt is there. Suppose basically every you can say Wi-Fi uses three-way handshake. This is a technique where the you can say your Wi-Fi give access to your secure device, whether it is a mobile or laptop. So what we do, we capture the communication between your authorization of your device, and we capture the hash value. Basically, that hash value is storing the password, but it is stored in the hash format. So then we have to decrypt the hash using the word list, using John the Ripper or any more app you can say software that you can use, like hash suit is also there, and there are a lot of softwares to decrypt the hash. So how it works, to capture the hash, you will be needing a connection that is now connecting to a device. Basically, paint like this is you can say this is you, and this is your Wi-Fi. This is W, and it is you. Suppose you are connected to a Wi-Fi, you will not need any type of password. But when you want to just get connected, it will require authorization, whether the password is there or not. It will just check authorization. You can just do it if you are anybody is having Wi-Fi, or even not having Wi-Fi. You can create a hotspot with another phone and try to connect it. It will just there will be several process, authorization, authenticating, obtaining IP address. All these steps comes under three-way handshake. So when this process is being done, then you can come in between and capture this whole you can say file, and then you can have this file. This file will be having hashed password. It is stored in hashed format. And then you have to decrypt this file, and for decrypting this file there is only one option. You have to create a word list, and then create hash value of all the passwords inside that, and then compare to this, then you will be having the password if it is present in this word list. WO. So this is how breaking of hashed password works. You can even use your customized word list. I have shown you the example that how it works, how it don't works, how to add more, how to create your own. And there are a lot of password files also available on the internet for breaking Indian passwords, because in India we are very much secure, because nobody you can say put their password as October 15, Cucumber 78, California 56. Nobody stores this password. In India we store password like I love Jagriti, uh, मैं चाय का दीवाना, something like this. So they are very much difficult to break. So there is a Shri word list that is very much effective for Indian passwords. Basically, they have created a very large word list using the Indian words. Like basically, you can understand. No need to understand Jai Mata Di, Jai Shri Ram. All these slangs that can be your password. They have created all. Like Marathi is there, Sanskrit is there, Hindi is there. So you can use their word list. They are having a huge word list. So yes, you can go through it. You can store the name Shri word list for breaking Indian passwords. You can create your own also. First try with the default, then try with the Shri, and then your customize. You can create a fake station also. Like you can create your own hotspot. Suppose you went to your friend's house and his Wi-Fi is named. Suppose you come to my home. Any of my students come to my home. What he will do, he will just see which Wi-Fi is available. Suppose he see that Kaushik is available. My Wi-Fi name is Kaushik. So what he will firstly do, he will create his hotspot naming Kaushik, so that I will be confused between which Kaushik is my actual Wi-Fi. So what then I will do, I will send a deauthentication packet. What a deauthentication packet will do, it will disconnect all the, you can say, devices that are connected to my original Wi-Fi, basically to the original Wi-Fi. Paint. Suppose this is Piyush, it is connected to Wi-Fi, and you are a hacker. You have to send deauthentication packet. It is called a deauth. It will disconnect all the devices that you want. You can customize it with a single device also, and you can select all devices also. Both the options are available. All devices. So and yes, it doesn't need any type of password, because it works like this. So a hacker will send a deauthentication packet and all the devices will be disconnected. When all the devices will be disconnected, I am Piyush. I will just see and just see hacker, and I just name it as intern. And you have already created, and you have already done with the first step. Your first step was hotspot, same name, same name. Then your Wi-Fi will be disconnected and you will be confused by watching two Kaushik there. One Kaushik will be my original Wi-Fi and one Kaushik will be your fake base station. It is known as fake base station. So when it will be connected to you, you will be having the actual password. Basically, you can create a fake page of Wi-Fi login. Whenever it will click on your Wi-Fi, so a page will pop up asking for your password for the, you can say, Wi-Fi. Then you will think that this is the same Kaushik, that basically I will be thinking, basically I will be firstly confused that which is my actual Wi-Fi. There are two Wi-Fi on my system. So I will try to click on Kaushik, and if it is connected, I will there will be a Wi-Fi password, the type of thing that will be asking my password, and I will enter my password confidently that it is my regular password and it is my home Wi-Fi. So I will be entering the password. So that is how you can hack also. This is called as hacking with fake base station. Fake base. Okay. Access spelling is wrong. So there are two ways to see password in your device. The first way to see password of your connected Wi-Fi is go to network, network status, I think. Then go to change adapter options. Then go to, you can see a Wi-Fi is available there named as Kaushik Wi-Fi, and then click on status. Then click on wireless properties, and then click on security, and then click on simply show characters. You can see the characters are now visible. This is my actual password which I have used for connecting my device. So this is how you can see the connected password. But one more thing is there, how can you see all the connected passwords that are saved in your device? So there is a separate method for that also. Just copy paste this. Okay, what happened? Control C, don't worry. CMD. Just go to CMD and run it with run as administrator. Right click on it and it will ask for manage options, and just click on run as administrator. Then just paste the command. Okay, this is not the command. Basically, it is the command. Okay, let's put the command manually. The bottom command is copied. I don't know why it's happening. NET shw lan show profiles. So now it will be having all the Wi-Fi names that are stored in your device. Suppose you can see HBSSPL, Ayush, Jet Enterprises, Kaushik 2. There are five Wi-Fi passwords that are stored in my device that I can just directly connect. And now the command is here. You can see the command here. You just have to change the Wi-Fi connection name. Suppose I am connected to Kaushik. Even if I'm not connected, that's the example of Kaushik 2, if it is available or not. Kaushik Kaushik 2, Kaushik 2, and just press enter. So now you can see a lot of information here. uh, Applied, all user profile, version, type, wireless LAN, name, connect manually, do only broadcasting, Kaushik 2, only radio. And now you can see the authentication. I have told you the authentication most of the Wi-Fi will be having. It is WPA2, and then the cipher is there, and key content. What is the key content? Key content is my password, and my password is hashtag QWERTY hashtag. Basically both of my Wi-Fi are having the same password, so that it is much more easier for me to remember the passwords. So this is how it works. There is a separate practical for this also, for cracking, for just firstly storing the hash. I will be creating a recording of that, because it will disconnect all my devices, and if all my devices are disconnected, it will disconnect your, you can say, meeting also. So there is a separate. Is there any question?
Sir, can you repeat again that third thing? I mean that practical.
Um, Practical one or practical two or both?
Now, whatever you now said, true. Like, how can
Okay,
I
okay.
mean accurate?
uh, just firstly search CMD here. Basically this is command prompt, and you can put a lot of commands here to gain access to much more things and to modify things, and to, you can see, basically you can run commands here, as the name suggests, command prompt. Then right click on here and then click on run as administrator. Then a window will appear, it will ask yes or no. Click on yes. Then this will appear. This is the command prompt window. Then type the command netsh wlan show profile. So basically it will show all the saved password that are stored in my laptop or computer, that are you.
Is that and that one is own device password? No,
Yes, yes, they are on device
that
password.
that was not another device password. So
No, no, no.
how can hack the another device password? I mean,
Yes, I'm just going to tell you. I was on that thing. I have just opened the presentation. So this there is a tool in Kali Linux, and basically it is available for all the Linux versions. It is known as Aircrack, and it is one of the most powerful tool to capture the hash. And what is the hash? I have told you that you have to capture the hash when somebody is going to connect the another device, basically another router. So suppose you are a hacker, what you will do? Suppose I am a hacker. Firstly, I will disconnect all the devices from that Wi-Fi. Suppose all the devices are disconnected, then the member of that family will try to reconnect it again using the, you can say, connect automatically or by anything. So when they will be pressing connect automatically, their hash value will be, you can say, generated, and you can save the hash value. And then after saving the hash value, you can decrypt it also using the word list. So it is a process, but there is a, you can say, demerit in this process, that your Wi-Fi will be off because you are connecting to a hacker's Wi-Fi. Basically, I am a hacker and I want to connect a Wi-Fi, so my laptop will be not having the connectivity of, you can say, internet. So that's why I cannot show you the practical, but I will record the complete video and I will show you by step that what is happening, how it is happening, how you can use this, and I will be providing you the video separately because it will be convenient for you also if you even try at your home that how it is done. I think I will be showing you the video day after tomorrow, most probably. Let me just add it to this doubt day air crack. AIRCRACK air crack practical. So I will be creating a whole video, then I will be sharing it with you on live and will be demonstrating each and every step that what is happening. Because if I want to test it out, I have to disconnect to my device and then my meeting will not be available. How to check in Mac? Okay, basically I don't know about the Mac, but there will be a lot of commands in Mac also. You can go through internet. There will be a lot of commands in Mac also. You can rest try that method also. No, that is not available right now. There was a method. Okay, so let's take one two more things for today. uh, Air crack. So VMware, where is my VMware? VMware. So I think most of you. Okay, so one more thing. For that hacking, you will be needing a separate adapter also. I forgot that point because your laptop Wi-Fi is not available to capture the packet. So you will be needing an adapter also. I am having the adapter, so I can show you the practical. Uh, Athros Athros adapter. I think it will cost around. Yes, this is, yeah, this can also be used. This is for 3600, and there are a lot of Wi-Fi also available, like Panda is there, and you can get a basic adapter for 2000 or something. Uh, you have just have to see adapters that support monitor mode. Best Wi-Fi adapter for Kali Linux. So these are the adapters. Let's see. Good old friend. Nice. Basically, these are the most expensive one, I think.
Excuse me, sir.
$49.
Without, sir,
Yes.
without without a adapter, we are not hacking the Wi-Fi.
No. Without adapter, there will be other things also. Like if it is secured by WPA, you can try to brute force the word list. Yes, you can hack. I'm not telling you that you cannot hack. There are a lot of other stuff also that without this you can hack. But the major attack is this, which is most successful. Basically, without adapter, it will not be very much successful for you to get into the system because your laptop Wi-Fi is not having that monitor mode. And
Actually, sir, actually, sir, that adapter I'm putting in that router, so it's risk, no.
no, you don't have to put the adapter and router. Basically, you have to install it in your laptop, which you will be using for hacking. Basically, you cannot put anything in router. It is a USB type of thing. You cannot put it in a router. It will be attached in your laptop.
Okay.
It is exactly like a USB. Realtek EU. You just have to search for it that which is the best one. Basically, which is best for you, which is in your range also. TP link Amazon. Basically, there are a lot of adapters. You can find it online. I will name them also. I think tomorrow or something. Mm, okay, so if there is any more doubts, please come up with your doubts. I don't not think it will be available today. Yes, it is available in ParrotOS also. ParrotOS is also very much good, and it is available in Kali Linux also. Just go to application. Then you have to go to pen testing. Then you have to go to web application analysis, I think. No, not on web application because it is wireless. Then you have to go to wireless and testing, and you can see here air crack. All the tools are used for hacking, pen testing, wireless. So you are asking for, if you are asking for wireless hacking, all these tools are there. You can go to YouTube and just type the name of any of this tool, and there will be a separate practical, separate method how to use this tool, what is the requirement of this tool, and everything will be available here. I have used Airgeddon also. It is very good tool, and I have used Wi-Fi, and yes, I use three tools from here: AirCorrect, AirGedon, and Wi-Fi. All the tools are very much very good, and you can also use different type of tools. Basically, there are thousands of tools, but just try with the pre-installed tools. That will be more good to you because they are the top priority, because they are the top rated tools. Yeah. Okay, I will show you the practical. Don't worry, it will take time also, and it will disconnect my Wi-Fi also if I send disconnect the authentication packet. So today the I think it is not possible practical. I can take practical tomorrow also. Okay, 7-9 is done. Come up with your questions because my health is also not very good today. I have to go for doctor also. Quickly come up with your queries or questions or something.
Sir, I had a doubt like when I went through the some like I just simply time pass on the internet and find like new techniques like related to the cyber hacking and all. So I found something like related to inspect elements, sir, which is been used recently to get the answers from the Google Forms.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, so sir, like then when I went through some articles, few of them said like it's not possible, but then I got to know like yeah, it's possible. So, sir, can you explain what's the thing?
I don't really don't know that whether it is possible or not because I haven't tried. But yes, if you say I can try it, I think live also. Hacking Google Form.
But sir, you will be needing a Google sample form like which should be having answers, right?
Yes, I will create. Don't worry. Hacking
Oh,
Google Form using HTML, using inspect element. Here's a matching video. Okay, Google has basically just store it in doubt section. I will take it in doubt section. Ask doubts for today's class. I will be adding it here. Hacking Google Form. Hacking Google Form. Inspect. Yeah, I have also read articles on this on medium.com. Hacking Google Form using inspect element. Okay, it is also stored. Okay, so you can please come up with today's section doubt if there are any.